Do you know that using a Wacom tab as a retoucher make your workflow faster and make retouching look easier? So I'm using this Wacom tab right here, and for this one, there's a Bluetooth version for this Wacom tab, but I'm using the one that you can connect with a cable. So this is the pen, and the reason why I love this Wacom tab right here, all I have to do is just plug it like this and just connect the USB to my laptop or my desktop. And once it's connected, the pen doesn't really need battery to function. All you have to do is just connect it and the pen starts working automatically. So that's why I really like this Wacom tab right here. So right now, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect a Wacom tab to your laptop, and also how you can customize it, because there are some buttons right here on the Wacom. So there are some buttons right here. I'm going to show you how you can customize those buttons, and also how you can customize the button on your pen. So after you connect to Wacom, you have to download the driver and just come to this Wacom website right here. I'll be leaving a link to this website in the description below. So once you come to this website, you're going to see where you can download the Wacom drive for Mac and also for Windows. So once you download it, just follow the installation prompts on your laptop or your computer and just install it. So after you finish installing it, just come to your search bar and just search for Wacom. And just open this Wacom tablet properties, and you're going to get a menu like this. So inside this menu, we have the tablet, we have the pen, we have the mapping, and we have this screen control, and we have some application which you can connect the Wacom to and customize as well. So this tablet simply means you can customize the button on this tablet right here. As you can see, there are some buttons on the Wacom tablet right here. So it means you can customize them. So if you want to customize it, you can just click on it, and you can apply anything you want the buttons to do. So you can use it as undo or redo. You can change it to right click, left click, middle click, or you can click 4 times, or you can set it to open application, so to run application, or you can change it to bring your screen keyboard. So anytime you press it, it's going to bring the screen keyboard, or anytime you press it, it's going to bring the File Explorer. I'm going to set mine to File Explorer like that. So whenever I press it like this, it's going to bring my File Explorer. So as you can see right here, I just press it and it brought out this File Explorer right here. So I'm going to close it. So that's how you can customize it. And there are 4 different buttons on this Wacom right here, so you can customize those buttons anywhere you want. And also, if I come to the pen, you can also customize the pen right here. So I have 2 buttons on the pen. So you can customize the buttons on your pen. So I customize mine to right click and scroll. And also, the tip right here is to click. And also, you can increase the feel and the pressure of the pen if you want. But mine is just on the middle. And you can also customize the double click distance, but mine is still on default. So that's how you can customize the pen on your Wacom. So let's say I want to customize this other one to left click. You can just click on it and just change it to flick. So to click once like that. So I have one for right click and I have one for click. But since the tip of the pen is already on click, so I'm going to change this one from click to scroll. So I'm going to change it to scroll. You can see, you can also change it to zoom in or zoom out if you want. Let's say you're touching an image and you want to change it to zoom in or zoom out. You can just click on it and it's going to zoom in and zoom out. But I don't want that, so I'm going to change it to scroll, because that's how I use it. And just click on OK like that. So after the pen, we have the mapping right here. And this mapping, you can choose to map where you want the graphics tab to work on your screen, and also you can choose to mask where you want the pen to work on the graphics tab. So for the screen right here, right now mine is set to full screen. So I want this graphics tab to function for my whole monitor screen. So that's why I put it on full. But if you want it to work only on a specific part of the screen, all you have to do is just come to your screen and just click on this portion right here. You can see this tool right here, so you can just customize it the way you want. So I'm going to click up right here and just drag it down like this. So right now, if I leave it like this pen is going to work only on the right side of my screen. It's not going to work on the left side of my screen. So if I try taking this pen to the left side of the screen, it's not going to pass the left side of the screen. It's just only going to work on the right side of the screen, as you can see right here. And also, if I set this to the right part of the screen, it's going to work only on the right part of the screen, and it's not going to work on the left part of the screen, as you can see right now. So that's how you can customize this monitor right here. So I'm going to cancel it, but I want it to work on the whole screen. So I'm going to cancel it. So right now it's working on the whole screen. As you can see, it's working on the whole screen. So for the tablet area, you can also choose to customize a specific part of the tablet which you want the pen to work for. So let's say I want the pen to work on only the left part of the tablet area, like maybe only the right part, or only the left part, or only the down, only the top. I can customize it from this part right here. So right now mine is set to full area. I want the pen to work on the full area. If I just hover around the full tablet, I want it to work on the full area. But if you want to work on a specific area, just come to your tablet area, click on it and click on portion. And you can also customize any portion you want right here. And it's going to work only on the portion. So right now I set it to work on only the left side. So this pen right now is going to work on only this part of the tablet. It's not good. If I try to work on this other part of the tablet, it's not going to work. except I take it to this other side before it's going to work. So you can set it to just set it the way you want. So I said to leave mine on default, which is the full screen. So I've already mastered it on the full screen, so I can just hover anywhere on the graphics tab and just work on it like that. So that's how I set mine. So for this on-screen control, I really don't touch it, so I just leave mine on default. And another thing you can do, you can come to your tablet and click on Photoshop. And you can customize any Photoshop action to work on this tablet right here. So any shortcut key, you can just use, let's say you want to undo, you can just set this keyboard right here to undo. And it's going to be your undo key inside of Photoshop. So instead of pressing Ctrl+Z to undo, you can just click on this part right here to undo in Photoshop. So that's how you can customize your option. So there are different options you can choose from. You should just play with it and just customize it the way you want. But mine is on default because I prefer using the Photoshop default shortcut. So you can also do the same thing for your Lightroom and Photoshop as well. And also you can add applications if you want, like this. So just play with it and customize it the way you want. So that's how you can connect and customize the Wacom tabs to your laptop or your PC. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want to learn how to color grade using Lightroom, Capture One, Photoshop, Camera, click on the video shown right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative.